Hey everybody, it's Laura, and today I'm going to be showing you guys some animal statues I have around my house, so let's go! First I have this dog statue that says "Take Me Home," and it goes like that. It's really cute. Then I have this super cute kitty statue, and he has a crown. Then I have this doggy statue. He's laying down, so cute. Then I have this Siamese kitty, and its plant. Then I have this super cute white kitty. Then this other super cute black and white kitty. Then I have this chihuahua with a necklace. Then I have this kitty. Then I have this kitty. And this owl. Then I have this doggy. I'm not sure what kind it is, but it has a necklace. It's just like the other chihuahua. Then I have this porcelain green bunny. So yeah, that isn't all of my animal statues, but those are a few of my faves. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe.